It's been a while since I have done a clean with me video by itself. I am beginning by cleaning at my side table that's behind and next to my couches. It's my drop-off table where I put mostly everything before it goes to its home place, and a good 90% of the time, this table is a mess. In this video, I'm not wiping down any surfaces with a wet Clorox wipe or the such, just dusting with a duster. Before this video, I did a deep clean, so this is just the residual mess that happens after a few days of not tending to the house. My makeup cabinet just needed a quick clean and a wipe up on the top shelf. The bottom shelves weren't really dusty, so I left them alone. Can't you tell I'm a lazy cleaner? I get into the urges of deep cleaning at least once a month, but otherwise I just do a quick clean every other day. But I am trying to change that. I am really trying to start off this year by being a better and less lazier me. I'm working out more, doing more crafts and hobbies, and all out trying to keep up with things. I'm going to try and beat the heavy mental exhaustion that gets to me randomly in hopes to make my mental health stronger. I did film these videos throughout a couple of days, so my clothes does change, but I also wear the same clothes much of the time, because I really don't dirty my clothes. When I work out, I change out of my relaxing clothes and into gym clothes, and then change back into my relaxing clothes. So, they generally stay clean. I also do laundry every Sunday. My study table by the desk is another drop-off spot, but it is also my workstation, so much of it is stuff I keep on the small desk while stuff builds up on top of it. Usually trash. I did film this particular video on New Year's Eve and finish up a week after. That's why I have that picture up on my computer. Those who do not know me, I am a huge Legend of Zelda fan, and Majora's Mask happens to be my all-time favorite game. I can't tell you enough how I just dusted my husband's computer a day before this video was filmed and how dusty it got within that day. It's like a magnet for dust. By the way, that D12 is a light and Zach got it for Christmas from my parents. It weighs practically nothing and changes into multiple different colors. Not a paid sponsorship. This bar table is where I keep my clean Tupperware. I try to keep it as neat as possible, but sometimes clean dishes just pile up here without being in an assorted set. Okay, I will admit I have a couple of different drop-off tables, and this happens to be one where this sort of bad habit occurs. Mostly Zach though. But I will admit that most of the stuff on it currently is mine. When I clean, I move things to the left of the room until they reach their designated locations. Now onto folding clothes. I usually fold the clean clothes on Monday after washing them on Sunday. I don't know why I do this. I think I just try to avoid the chore as much as possible, but I have to do it immediately as well, otherwise Zach throws a fit because he has nowhere to throw his dirty laundry. The mess in the bedroom is mostly Zach's doing. He likes to throw his clothes all over the floor and leave dirty dishes and plates all over his nightstand and never cleans it up. My side of the room is clean, so there is no footage of that. I'm trying different angles when vacuuming, and I'll probably start doing this when I'm cleaning as well. It's just when I'm cleaning, I'm not paying much attention to the camera, so I forget to change of views. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and that this either relaxed you or got you inspired to clean. I'm thinking about doing a big declutter of my books soon, but I don't know if I will get rid of any, to be honest. What do you guys think? I might just do it anyways. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.